Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We went to Mead Open Farm. It is about a lot of animals like sheep, goats and cows. There's also cuddly rabbits that you can touch, and there is poo in there. And there's Highland cows and alpacas that you will see in a moment. And there's also play areas like a sand pit, a zombie pool, and a rock climbing thing. And there's an indoor thing. And now you will see all of it right now. So this is the sorbing, and I have my little sister. And this is go-karting, which I didn't mention. And this is the sand pit. So, and wait for it, wait. And this is the indoor play area, and this is the rock climbing area. Overall experience was really good. So hope you enjoy. Bye bye.